In every heart there are two voices. One speaks in rules, numbers and laws, the voice of reason, the old law of the soul. The other whispers of faith, beauty and love, the new covenant written in light. One describes the world, the other sets it in motion. Together they form the mind of the Maker, the image of God in man. By the laws of aerodynamics, the bumblebee should not fly. Its body too heavy, its wings too small. Logic measures the world and declares impossible. And that is the left side's voice, logic and law, the Old Testament. Clever enough to describe the world, but not to move within it. The left side builds the framework of creation, order, symmetry, precision. But law without spirit becomes limited. Alone, the Old Testament cannot fulfill its purpose. Then faith awakens, the right side, the New Testament written in light. It feels what reason cannot see, and assents to what equations cannot prove. For love and imagination are the wings of the soul. The bumblebee flies, not against law, but with it, perfected by faith. The old and the new, left and right, become one in perfect balance. Reason gives structure, faith gives motion. Truth comes alive. The bumblebee is the soul of man, born under law, lifted by grace. The Old Testament gives wisdom, the New Testament gives wings. The left side shapes the world, the right side touches heaven. Apart, each is incomplete, but when together, they make the once impossible possible. Reason can explain how a thing moves, but only faith can teach it to fly. The bumblebee reminds us, structure steadies us, faith lifts us higher. With God, all things are possible. Follow us on Instagram, Deus Occidentis.